What's up, YouTube? We're back. Nothing gets new. Well, mostly. We're back out here working on Bev, getting the rear end flipped over, and we ran into some problems. These little perches we bought on the old Amazon. These guys were a little bit too high, so we had to cut them off. I got the other side done. U-bolts were a little bit long. Factory ones were. So I cut those down, got them ready to go. Let's get this thing bolted up. Okay, we got both sides welded in. That one's finished. This one I just wanted to show you. Welded it in. Did a couple of plug welds here. I'm going to take a die grinder, cut some slits just right there, and then cut it out with the Sawzall. And I'll add the inner pieces to it. Yeah, came out pretty nice. Happy with that. I did add a little inner plate right there just to add to it. I'm going to add one more piece on this side because it is a little bit different. I'll put a piece down into there, fill the gap there, but I'm going to get this thing cut out and weld it in. Alright, got this thing welded in. Came out pretty nice. Not bad for having it MIG welded in quite a long time. Took me a little bit to get the settings correct. Maybe if I zoomed out, there we go. I'm just going to give it a little bit of black paint, get the gas tank bolted back up, get the shocks on it, and I'll show you what I do to the bed to modify the bed. Alright, you can see we got everything painted up, both the notches, shocks on, everything's on, ready to go. I'm going to cut out the bed here in a second, kind of walk you through what I do with that. Okay, first off we're going to remove this exhaust shield here, some Torx all the way down, and this is the rib we're going to be cutting out. We're just going to take a plasma cutter, cut it all the way along there, cut that out. Probably, I'm guessing like right here on both sides, we'll take everything out, but this we'll just cut it with a plasma cutter, get it down as far as we can. Potentially the rear end can hit right in there. That's why we're going to cut that all the way out. But the underbed notch comes off the frame and up to here. That's where you're getting the extra clearance from right there without cutting the bed up. So I'm going to get my tools out here, take those off with the Torx. Hopefully they come out easy. We'll get that thing off. Well, as luck have it, bolts are all stripped out and tight. I couldn't get either one of them, so we're gonna hook up the plasma cutter and cut around it, get off what we can for now, and I'll probably have to weld some nuts on there to unthread those things out. Well, let's get after it. Whew. Get my gloves on first. Yeah, hopefully something's good enough around. Yeah, let's try it and see. Butter. Yeah, it's aluminum anyways. Hiya! Give ourselves a nice little ground.
one's busted free. That one's busted free. That one's busted free. Oh, need the other one. Batteries are dead. Take those off.
Okay, that's going to wrap up this video. We are waiting for the wheels to get back from powder coat. We do have some tires. We're going to get some people over to lift the bed up, put that back on the truck, and try to get the project done with lowering it. We have some stuff coming up with the Grumps Impala. We're getting everything connected, getting fluids in it, starting to run wiring. So we're going to be working on that pretty heavily, getting the thing to run, getting everything to function with that. So if you like what we've done so far, like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.